Hi everyone, Cindy Santa Ana here, integrative nutritionist for the Amen Clinics and your Wellness Wednesday host. Today I want to share with you one of my favorite 5-minute lunches. This is the sardine taco, but you can really add any kind of protein you want, but today I'm going to use one of my favorites, which is sardines. I also love Wild Planet's anchovies. They taste really good in here. You could also use cod or maybe some leftover salmon, or if you're vegetarian you could even use some tempeh. So I'm going to show you how to make this super quick. So you could also go low carb with this and use a lettuce wrap, but today I'm going to use the siente almond flour tortillas. These are my favorites. They're grain-free. They're made with almond flour. They also have a cassava flour version if you can't do almonds. So these are my favorites. I store them in the freezer, pull it out, and I've just heated one in a little skillet here. So it's already hot. So I'm going to show you how I assemble it. Super quick. So the first thing that goes on, let's make a little room, is the guacamole. So this is just mashed avocado. If you have guacamole, that's fine. Just a couple tablespoons here is fine. This is one of my favorites. Good, healthy monounsaturated fats, a source of fiber. So this is the base. And then I put my sardines or anchovies or cod or salmon or tempeh, whatever you like, right on top. Each tin is 18 grams of protein. It's also rich in vitamin D and calcium. So this is a great superfood to help you balance those omega-3 fatty acid levels. Okay, so then I just dice up some romaine lettuce, a little bit of green, and whatever you have on hand is fine. I love shredded purple cabbage on this too. So I'm just using some shredded romaine right on top, just a little bit. And then I also just happen to have some cilantro in my fridge, so I'm just gonna roughly tear that right on top. This gives you a lot of great flavor. If you don't like it, leave it out. And then a little dollop of some fresh salsa right on top. And to finish it off, a really great squeeze of fresh lime juice. This really elevates it, gives it that little bit of acidity, a little punch. And there you have it. Super quick, less than 5 minutes, right? Fast sardine taco. One of my favorite lunches. Hope you guys will try it. Let me know if you do.